What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? You're tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today, man. We finna finally shake Mighty Emma down and get y'all some outside footage. Well, y'all seen me shake it down last time, but we finna get some outside footage this time, right before the Showtime transmission go in, man. So I plan on turning this thing loose. And I've been telling Wifey, I said, hey, look, hey, I know you gonna want to see Mighty Emma on the outside. I want to see it on the outside. So, man, I'm hoping everything goes smooth on the column shield. So I'm finna hop in this thing, and we gonna see what we do. We're gonna see what it do or whatever. It's good air. It's no moisture in the air, no humidity. Man, it's just a good day, man. About 60. Let me see. Hold on. It's 62 or 63 degrees. 63 degrees, man. 63 degrees. That is perfect air, man. I hope Mighty Emma don't do nothing crazy, and maybe we'll hit the goal I'm trying to hit for the car. But I know when the Showtime go in, I already know what time it is, man, because Showtime going in tomorrow. So we got to get this done today. I want to get an outside clip, not only for her, but for me too. I want to get an outside clip of this car with the stock transmission in it. Bone stock with a converter in it. Bone stock, man. Original equipment. The original transmission that came in the car from the factory. With the 350 converter in it, man. I mean, I said 350 converter. With the aftermarket converter. So, finna fire this nag up. We're gonna get to it. All right, so we got the key. We finna crank this nag up. See, we got everything out, man. I took all on my car. The car covers came in today. And y'all know, Wifey just got the Mustang. So, I had took the car cover off of Grandma Nana to make sure her car was covered. So Grandma Nana been in the outdoor weather, but yeah, they came in, so we're gonna cover all these things up. I think she gonna drive. She gonna drive the Mustang day. Well, ain't no think. She wanna drive this joker every day. She wanna drive it every day. So look, I'm finna crank this nag up right here. It should fire up cause we just crank it up. We're gonna let it put some more heat in the motor, and then we're going up the street. And we're gonna, I'm gonna shake this joker down, man. I think she might do something today. Let me see. It should just fire right off. There it is. Oh, this car, that sounds good. This thing sounds good. Smell good too. This thing know it sounds good. Mighty Emma said, I'm finna make one. Mighty Emma said, I'm finna make me a pad. I'm finna go through there before they transmission get changed. So she gotta put a pro drive in here. A pro drive.
I hear it, Emma.
Gotta put a pro drive in here.
Whatever.
Make a pass. So a pro driver, y'all. So that's what we about to do. Sounds good. Ooh, it sounds good. Them one table, no, they sound good. They top. Yeah. We about to go ahead and get this done. I'm gonna give y'all the report. Hopefully everything goes smooth. And we get back, man. Y'all gonna see the footage. And we're gonna see what it do. I ain't gonna have no GoPro now. So it's gonna be straight outside footage car. I ain't going to go get the GoPro. I think I gotta charge it up anyway. So let's do it. All right, we just got back, man. Hey, look, I just looked at that footage, boy. Mighty Emma was rolling. Mighty Emma was rolling, boy. But, man, that transmission get hot, boy. It get hot fast. Stock, man. Stock internals in transmission, all that. And y'all seen, boy, when I grabbed, it looked like I grabbed a 250 shot on there. That was that transmission, man. That was transmission. Push fluid out. It don't get hot, boy. It looked like I grabbed a 250 shot. I ain't know it looked like that, but Mighty Emma was rolling there. When she came on that big end, shit, this thing here was strolling, boy. This bad boy was strolling, man, on that big end. That thing said, yo! I said, woo! Mighty Emma. Wait till showtime go in there. I guarantee you it gonna pick up, and it's called the shifts. The shifts, oh, you finna go and put them in tight. You gotta look at it, man. We finna give y'all a bonus cause she wanna see how much it weigh. What they don't say?
Left front.
Oh, okay. So she getting the scale set up. She doing the hard way. I thought you gonna roll the box out here. It got wheels on it.
I don't know what I'm thinking about.
You might well put them down there though. You might well set them up. You know the handles gotta face the outside though.
Like that.
Nah, face the outside that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you got look. She finna see. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna let her put them down, and then if it wrong, that's how you learn right there. That's how you learn. Look at that. I told you, boy. It's the out. That's it. The handles come on the outside.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Nah, what the outside?
Outside, like this way.
All right, you finna go like that. Look, she.
No.
So we're gonna roll the car on the back. I guess we have to then. We're gonna have to roll the car back. You gotta put it. Come on now. No, hey, I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna have to do this. Cause you ain't. I'm gonna have to do this, boy. See, look at it, man. Look at it. You put it up against the tie. Boy, it be y'all just don't know. Our camera, boy, y'all just don't know, boy. It be glory. Let me see, man. What is that?
Huh?
What is
this? The left rear. Back here.
Look, man, look. She boy. Look how far back that thing was, y'all. Man, you gotta put it up against the tie. Hey, I'm gonna be brutally honest with y'all. It's a lot of stuff she still don't know about these cars.
Yeah,
she don't know on that fool on the video. Boy, hey, I'm trying to teach her. Look at her. I'm trying to teach her, man. But anyway, we finna get this thing weighed. Man. And y'all put your guesses. Put your guesses below. How heavy y'all think Mighty Emma is. And when we get it up on the scale, we're gonna turn y'all on and let y'all see. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. We got on the scales. We didn't record this time. Cause some people, they be driving them crazy. They'll put, hey, we need to do a reel of that. We need to do a reel pushing this on the scale. Cause somebody in the comments said, man, Jay was killing me watching y'all do that.
Yes.
Hey, man, told him we like the air side, man. We ain't trying to pull out no jack and jack it up. It take longer doing that. We don't mind a little work. So look, this what it is, man. 3,124 pounds. That's how much her car weighs. 3,124 pounds, man. So I'm thinking this car and R&B are probably similar weights. Cause R&B got 24s on it. But I figure if you take these 17s off and put them on R&B, they'll be similar. So they're pretty light, man. 3124. Well, the shop selling it, it's like 25. But 24, yeah. You can put a power plant in here and this joke here move some. I could put one of Dolo, like a setup like Dolo in, and boy, this thing here is skeet. So there y'all got it, man. 3124. That's how much Mighty Emma weighs. So finna get this thing out the scale. Hey, we're gonna weigh this next. We're gonna weigh all on send scales out. Yeah, the Mustang and the Regal. We in there weigh the Regal. Yeah. So look, man, I'm gonna shoot that a separate video. So y'all make sure y'all tune in for that. We're gonna have that coming. Mustang weight and the Regal, man. But right now it's about Mighty Emma, cause y'all know she made that. Mighty Emma went down through there, looked like it was on the nitro kit, boy. Like I sprayed a 250 shot. But we finna get this car to scale, man. I'm finna roll it off, and we're gonna see what the other ones weigh. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. We're taking in. I'll take it in, man. I had to close the video out. But y'all see Wade the car yesterday. I'm gonna tell y'all something funny. So look, I know this how much I know my wife, man. This how much I know wife. Y'all seen the previous clip where I was clowning about the scales. She ain't like that. She ain't like that. I knew I had made her mad. I was clowning her on the video in front of y'all, man. I don't mean no harm, man. I was like, look at you. You turn the thing. I did, cause I know it's gonna mess with her.
Yes,
Look. She got her feelings. She started getting a little quiet, y'all. Then look, she finna drive a little Mustang. So I had to take something back to Walmart. I had the plan. Like, I just ride with her. So look, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, she gonna drive, I just ride with her.
Yeah, cause I was gonna do some testing, you know.
Look, so let me tell you. I said, I knew she aggravated now. I said, she ain't mad, but she aggravated. She like, she don't like when I clown her. Even off camera, she don't like when I clown her. Like, hey man, you doing it wrong. So I said to myself, yeah, I know she aggravated, but you still finna take me to Walmart. I said, you still gonna take me to Walmart. By the time we got halfway to the trip, halfway there, she was all right. Hey, but we were just laughing by the car. I said, you got aggravated, didn't you? I made you aggravated. She said, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, we definitely know each other.
Oh, yeah, we know each other now. You know how to push each other buttons.
Yeah.
I had to pick her up, but she don't like that. But I was on the blog, too, like, you trying to climb up in front of all these people. Hey, but if you watch all the time, y'all see me do it more than one time. It's normal.
Yes.
But I like that. I had to tell y'all, we keep it real, man. They just relationship. You just know each other. If you want to say an argument, that's about deep as it get. We don't have no argument now. We don't do none of that. No argument stuff. But you talking about aggravation, they're about deep, something like that, small. She was all right about 15 minutes. Oh boy, it was funny though. I said y'all can get a laugh off of that. But yeah man, y'all seen Mighty Emma get down. Look like I grabbed that 400 shot of nitrous. But like I said, transmission it good, man. It just like I said, push the fluid out. It's stock internal, so don't like all that heat. So you know, but say it's all good, man. It's coming out tomorrow. Or today, I should say, cause it's really the next day. But I was editing the vlog. I said, man, I ain't closed them out, man. I can't just end the vlog and not say I catch on that time to my people. So we had just got to knock it out, a workout and all of that, man. But yeah, Mighty Emma rolling. We're gonna test again after the showtime go in there and see what it do. But hey, y'all can't say, man. Y'all can't say that joke. Boy, I done looked at it. I done looked at that clip 1,000 times, man. I done looked at that clip 1,000 times for real, boy. That joke there, like I grabbed that big kick, boy. That joke, boom, went to rolling too, boy. So it was getting on, man. But Mighty Emma done came a long way. Or Emma, his wife would call it, but she done came a long way, man. That car pretty decent to be what it is, but and to have a stock transmission. So man, we get the showtime in there with firmer shifts, where it ain't losing all that time. Shoot, she gonna be in there. It's just gonna drive better too, especially when we put her coilovers on, which we supposed to been went and got them last week, but it just been so busy and stuff. Then still scrambling with meats, and all of that. Gonna have to end up picking up R&B soon. Called Aunt by Fina with R&B. I talked to him a couple days ago. Y'all be asking about Aunt too, man. He doing good, man. We be talking. He doing good, man. He got a new shop up and stuff, so he been setting it up, man, and all of that. So he doing good, man. I talked to him. He got R&B there now. Fixing the lights, the headlight. It burned up the connector, man. The high beam connector actually grounded some kind of way. I guess, you know, vibration and stuff. It grounded and touched the frame, not the frame. It touched some metal, and then it burned. It just popped the fuse. So it was something touching somewhere. He fixing it, straightening out. So every time you put a fuse in it, turn the headlights on, it popping. That's why I told you I ain't had no headlights and running lights, because I figured it was a fuse and that was gonna be my go-to. But he checked the fuse, then it popped it every time. Y'all know he put the new rotors on there for me and new calipers. We painted them up just so I won't have no rusty calipers no more. So R&B, she look all good in the front and stuff too now. But yeah, I gotta pick that up. And like I said, it just running around, man. But we having good weather, so we're back in the groove. Next week, I got some collaborations coming for y'all. So yeah, we finna be pretty lit. Especially when Meech get back, man. We finna be on and popping. I know everybody waiting on that track video. I'm waiting too, man. I'm ready to hit that nitro. Y'all seen Dolo getting biz on the 60, so I'm about to start pretty much exclusively running that car only on rims since I done showed y'all time on the radios. Well, I'm gonna go take it back on the radios 1 or 2 more times, cause the car is faster now. So the time I told y'all it'll go faster, and I probably crank it up a little more. But even with the tune, the same tune I ran the 636 with when it was coming out the gas a little bit, which really was a 620 some pad, but it'll go faster now with that same tune on the progressive control. So I could put my same tune right there and it'll go faster because it gained power after Jesse retuned the car. Cause the car is faster, man. It's faster, noticeably on motor and on nitrous. If it get faster on motor, it's gonna get faster on nitrous. It carries over most of the time. So I'm gonna take it back on radios. We're gonna revisit that one more time. And then the car probably gonna be on 6s all the time. Cause y'all know that was the intention. If you've been watching the vlog from the beginning, you know Dolo was the big rim car. Meech is the radio car. Meech really ain't full rims and stuff. Like I ran it just to see, you know, and I probably run it again just to play around, but I'm not setting the suspension up. The shocks not set up for rims. Dolo is set up for rims. It's catered for that. I had the shocks valved for big rims. It just happened to work. I mean, it made power, so it gonna work on radius. I mean, it's still a good shock, but the valving on the shocks is for big rims. Meech not valved for big rims, so it probably won't perform as well as Dolo will on big rims or whatever, on a wheel with no sidewall and stuff. So, and that's how I planned on it. But I'm gonna tell y'all, man, I am gonna make one more change to Meech. I love Vikings, but the shots, the coilovers on Meech may be for sale soon. Because I think I'm gonna go to some Menser. Menser is like upper echelon, man. I'm gonna put some Mensers on there. Because I wanna have some and I wanna experience them. Y'all know me, I like to test, I like different products, so I can give you this is what this is. I got QA1s on coilovers on one of the cars. I got custom valve Vikings on one of the cars. I got a different valve in on the other car, so I'm gonna try some Mensers, and which they some expensive shop, but like I said, Meech my car, it's gonna have the best everything, and I may end up taking that car off the frame at the end of the year, cause that involves taking everything loose. You have to completely take it apart. Suspension had to be took apart, rear end took out again. To do it the right way, like you have to take the car, everything apart, the bushings, all that, bare frame, which that's why you normally do that in the beginning. But I have to put that car together, man. That car been sitting too long. It meets time to shine, so I may take it out the frame and like I said, go have the frame powder coated, send out powder coated, and then have Jesse and put everything back, and it'll look good. But if I do that, I don't want people saying, hey, you said you gonna, I said if, man, it depends. I just change up like that. And it's not that I'm trying to win a car show. I care less about a car show. It's just that that's my car. And if I'm gonna go all in, and if it's gonna be one of my old schools that I have 100,000 in, it's gonna be that one. Cause it's already over the 50 threshold. That's why I said 100. By the time if I do take it off the frame and all this stuff, it'll have 100 in it. Between and then the Mensers, man, all this stuff, it's because I got all the performance stuff on it. So if it is ever be a car I do that to, it's gonna be Meech. It's gonna be Meech. It won't be nothing else. I won't be taking nothing else off the frame, cause it ain't that serious to me. I don't care if I look on the camera, man, it's a little dirty on here, rusty. I don't care. I care about how fast that joker go. But yeah. That's it, man. They're going to wrap it up. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, man. Seeing Mighty Emma shoot down through there. So that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch y'all later. BCG. We out.